Hi, I'm David, and I'm part of the Carolina Footwear Design and Development team. I'm here to talk to you today about our durable SuperTrek collection, brought to you by Carolina. This boot comes equipped with a two-piece oil, chemical, and slip-resisting PU-TPU outsole that takes the abuse that diverse industrial environments can dish out. The collection is available in a composite safety toe or non-safety toe because we know you need options. And they meet ASTM standards for impact and compression and electrical hazard. Available in our rugged tan Crazy Horse leather with our 100% waterproof Scuba liner membrane, this well-made upper is built on a Goodyear weld construction. Combined with a strong woven lace that feeds through die-cast metal hooks and eyelets, this boot will give long-lasting performance. These styles are complete with a removable dual-density polyurethane and memory foam footbed and a generous padded collar, providing the comfort you need to do your best day after day. Our SuperTrek boots have unmatched comfort and extensive durability to keep you on the job. That's the Carolina way, built for work.